Imagine the profound possibility that life exists somewhere beyond our familiar Earth. It's a question that excites many and stirs curiosity about the universe. But here's where it gets controversial. While some remain skeptical, experts like Dame Maggie Aderin-Pocock assert with conviction that extraterrestrial life is not just a distant dream but a very real possibility. Dame Maggie, renowned space scientist and passionate science educator, has contributed to groundbreaking instruments that dramatically expand our understanding of the cosmos, including the famous James Webb Space Telescope. This year, she will be entrusted with delivering the prestigious Royal Institution Christmas Lectures, Britain's most esteemed public science talks, where she will delve into some of the biggest unanswered questions in space science. Her discussions promise to shed light on phenomena that challenge our current knowledge and ignite imaginations. In a special interview, Nicola Davis sat down with Dame Maggie to explore her insights into these lectures, her firm belief in the existence of life beyond Earth, and her inspiring dream of one day traveling to a distant exoplanet. Madeline Finley also joins to hear their perspectives in this festive edition of Science Weekly, offering listeners a chance to immerse themselves in the mysteries of space. And this is the part most people miss. Scientists like Dame Maggie are not just theorizing about distant worlds, they're actively working to uncover answers that could transform how we see ourselves in the universe. So, do you agree that extraterrestrial life is out there, waiting to be discovered? Or do you think skepticism still holds sway? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and join the conversation about one of the most exciting questions of our time.